So we started doing this calendar to highlight the men and women who go to make up this community, and we had no idea how it was going to take off. And when people started getting ready in hair and makeup and getting all dressed up and coming before the camera and having people fawning all over them, the lights start popping and the cameras flashing, and the energy in the room is unbelievable. And they really get into it. It's beautiful.
A big part of getting a great shot is getting the residents to really loosen up. Obviously, exposure and lighting and all that, that's a big part of it, but to get their inner personality, I think that's the most important part.
Part of what makes this calendar really amazing is their word of advice. It's so special, it's specific to them, but I think it does speak to generations, and you can just see it in their eyes when they get to that point, when they find that word. It's magical.
When I'm taking these photos, I'm sometimes a little silly, people might think, but you give a smile, somebody smiles back at you. You kind of act a little silly with them. Guess what? They're doing the same with you. But by the end of the set, you're like their best friend, and you know, it shows in the photographs.
We're really excited to be getting this calendar out. We distribute it first to our residents and their families, of course, and then all of the people that have already started asking for the next calendar, and we're really hoping to do this for many years to come.